Good morning. Today is boat riding on our itinerary and we are really looking forward to this part of the trip because this is why we bought even the hop on and hop off tour. So first breakfast, coffee and then the boat ride. After a mediocre breakfast we're now heading back to the Photography museum where we will board the boat for the sightseeing trip. After a short boat ride, we arrived here at the city center in Stockholm, and by accident, once again, we found this amazing market with a lot of food, and you can get here some lunch, and yeah, we will have a look and see what it has to offer here. Unfortunately, we already ate breakfast and therefore we couldn't eat a lunch there at the market. But now we are heading to a free walking tour which is offered by Stockholm, and we hope we will receive all the relevant and interesting information about Stockholm. So we just finished the free walking tour. It was highly informative. We did the city walking tour and not the old part of town. So you're able to do 2 walking tours if you want to. Now we're heading for a lunch / afternoon break. But later we will head back to the boat and do the rest of the boat tour. So stay tuned for that. After a short boat ride, we arrived at Riddarholmen, which is a small island in the bay area of Stockholm. We actually have no idea what we can see here, but let's have a look. And yeah, next couple of shots are from Riddarholmen. So we can tell you there is definitely not that much to do on the island. And now we're on our way back to the boat and back to our Airbnb. Probably we will go out for dinner later tonight, but we won't take the camera with us. So we call it a day for the vlog and see you tomorrow. Good morning. Unfortunately, today is our last day here in Stockholm. Today we will do a free walking tour, the second one which they offer here. The one was yesterday was the new part of the town. Today will be the old part of the town, the medieval part. And before that we will see the underground metro station, which is very famous for its artwork. And it's the largest art gallery out there in the world. So I'm kind of stoked to see what that looks like. So see you later. just came back from the underground and it's truly amazing. There are so many different stations that have art on their walls, and we never saw any guide that you should go downstairs into the underground, so we can highly recommend going there. You only need to buy one single fare ride and you can go to all the different locations, the metro stations, which have the amazing artwork. We highly recommend to use a whole afternoon to see all the amazing artwork if you have time to and would like to see them. But now it's time to see the second free walking tour of the medieval city here in Stockholm. So after attending the second walking tour of the medieval part of the city, we can say that if you have time for only one walking tour, take the new part of the town. It's far more fun, far more interesting, but if you like the medieval part of the town, go for it. Unfortunately, our trip to Stockholm comes to an end. We're now heading back to the train station where we'll grab our bags, which we put in a locker, and then we'll take the coach back to the airport.